Elevate your repair, service maintenance operations with our industry-specific ERP solution. In industries where customer materials and assets are at the heart of operations, our ERP system now delivers specialized support for the repair, service, and maintenance sector, empowering businesses to streamline workflows, optimize resource management, and enhance customer satisfaction. Ready to transform your service operations? Let's see how. Ready to receive customer material. Here's how, step by step. Open the customer material application. Click the Add button to get started. Select your customer from the list. If you have multiple stores, choose one or leave it blank if not needed. In the Part Information grid, click Add New Line. Enter or select the material you're receiving. Describe the issue or action needed. Enter the quantity received. Need more items? Just repeat the steps for each additional item. In the Terms Information grid, you can set terms or customer instructions. Click Add New Line. Choose or enter category, like delivery, payment, or special instructions. Add the term details. Final step, hit the Save button. If everything checks out, the system will confirm and generate your material receipt. And that's it. Isn't everything just great? Reach out to us at brs.softwaretech@outlook.com or visit our website to explore more. Whether you're curious, ready to get started, or just want to chat, we're here to help. We'd love to hear from you.